Welcome to the Den of Tools.
Howdy ho, guys and gals, it's Red, your friendly neighborhood tool bear, back again here in the old Den of Tools, and we're here to talk about Tacklife. Now, they got their little fuzzy tails booted off of Amazon a little while ago. We all talked about that, but they're slowly clawing their way back in through all sorts of different maneuvers. And Greg, one of our viewers, he sent this over to me. Big shout out to Greg there for finding this. He found the Tacklife compound miter saw here, 12-inch, with normally a price of $270, $269.99, and it's got one of those clippy coupons. You just click the checkmark box and boom, you save $100. That makes this a $170 saw. And if you got Prime, that's 2-day free shipping on that boat anchor. These things are not cheap to ship. Trying to get one of those at that price online is insane. Now, I'm not going to sit here and say, hey, this is the best miter saw you ever bought. This is clearly an entry-level, economically priced bargain kind of saw. It's very similar to what we saw over with, over on the old Harbor Freights. They used to have the Chicago Electric 12-inch dual bevel, and that was a great price. And then they got rid of the blade, and then it wasn't such a great price. And, and then they replaced it with the Admiral, which with the blade, when it's on sale, if there's a coupon, wasn't too bad. But standard price on the Admiral is $199.99. Prices keep going up. For those of you also who keep saying, well, only Harbor Freight's raising their prices. Well, as my ex-girlfriend from Kentucky used to say, bless your heart. Anyway, we go back over here. We can see it. This is, I haven't got my paws on it. I did see one of their 10-inch saws, and it was okay. It wasn't anything to write home about, but it wasn't tragic either. This looks to be fairly decent. I've seen this design before, so they're clearly OEMing it from someone else. But that said, let's take a look. If we look at the seller on this is listed as TK Stores, because not Tacklife, TK Stores, because it can't be Tacklife, right? Because Tacklife's been booted. But the brand, you can still sell their products even if you are quote unquote someone else. Anyway, if we take a look at their store, we take a look at their products, they've got an interesting selection. We got the Mataku, that was a Tacklife product. This rivet gun, there's a fridge, another type of rivet gun. There's a tractor. There's legitimately a small kid's tractor. If they make that Big Bear sizes, I might buy it for $149. And we got more screwdrivers, that Tacklife table saw. And look, they're rolling in the G-Wagon with the bends. Gotta love the G-Wagon. Oh, we got the Audi TT as well. We got the saw, we got the Lexus. It's quite a collection of tools and vehicles of sorts there. Anyway, I just want to throw this out here because it is a great deal, and because of the fact that right now there's not a lot of saws in this kind of class under $200. So for some of you who are on that super tight budget, we get it. We're not judging here, and sometimes you got to do what you got to do. You got to work with what you got to work with. Just as a comparison, I did some quick shopping around. You go over to Home Depot, the cheapest 12-inch saw you're going to get is going to run you $269, and that's going to get you the barest of bare bones Ryobi. You go over to Lowe's, and they're going to throw you in a Delta Shopmaster at $326.68. I kind of love their pricing numbers. The other one I found on the old Amazons there is the Sunco. I don't know anything about this. 12-inch, it's the cheapest one you can buy right now at $250.99. So you're stepping up quite a bit in price if you don't get that coupon on there. Now, I did go to Google and try Google shopping and stuff, see what else is out there. Didn't have much luck in finding anything under $200 in the sliding miter saw range. This is what Google suggested. Go figure. Anyway, let me know. Are you going to consider getting one of these? I'm going to have a link for it down below. Again, it's not me sitting here and saying this is the one you want. This is me sitting here saying this is a thing. It's out there and it's at a pretty cheap price point. And from in the past, Tacklife tools have turned out to be not terrible, not too bad, bang for the buck wise. Anyway, that's all the bear has for you today. Let me know what you think down in the comments of deals like this. By the way, while you're down there, don't forget to chomp the old like button, smash the subscribe, ring the bell on your way out. You all take care. God bless. And as always, shine on.